Yes, so what's up viewers and subscribers, respect for tuning into another video. But basically coming up in this video right now, viewers and subscribers, we are going to discuss VYBZ KARTEL and VYBZ KARTEL situation. Because as we say, we are going with the entertainer right now, people. Yeah, it don't really look good, you understand what I mean? And we don't like the direction where it's turn, you understand what I mean? Knowing say at the end of the day, enough people want to get all the artists same way, enough of them top elites there, you see me? Who's to ever put him in prison? Because me don't know say at the end of the day, this is not just VYBZ KARTEL situation overall is not just a one-man thing. You understand what I mean? Because you can see it's a group of people come together for really put down the artist a certain way due to voice notes and all kind of them things there. You see it and tampering, and what we get for find out because Fox 5 has put out a report that VYBZ KARTEL has 2 different heart conditions, you understand what I mean, and it is very life-threatening. And basically him doctor say he's been going through this for over 7 years, you understand what I mean. So basically people, me only know say a long time that, you understand what I mean. And basically when you look on it, we know say a whole heap of time the artist in a hospital, in and out, to and from, you understand what I mean. And basically when me I say in myself, me I wonder if are them top elites there, you see me? The same people them will send him to prison and don't want him free because me only know say VYBZ KARTEL can sue them for a lot of money. You understand what I mean? If for them same people they really are trying to get out the entertainer same way, you understand what I mean? Because me only don't know enough people. There's many ways to hang a dog, you know. You see me? I say many things where them can do to you, you understand what I mean? And when you have money and power, you don't know that goes a far way. You see me? I say, and at the end of the day, what you think about all of this? You think that VYBZ KARTEL is just a natural sickness, etc., or a people really are trying to shake up the artist? You see me? Maybe in a food, you understand, in a drink, or something, or you understand what I mean? But basically, me no feel like this thing just come from here, so you understand, because me don't know, them no really want the entertainer get free. You understand what I mean? And you know, say the entertainer court case there in England right now, and in the Privy Council, you understand what I mean? And any card can play, you see me? So my thing is, if them a try to get out the artist before him even get him freedom, and me I say, Jano, that look away, you understand, and that set a way where me don't like it, because I don't know VYBZ KARTEL is the baddest dancehall artist in this era in Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, in a dancehall overall, you understand. And me just hope the artist can get over this, because we all know that the artist strong, you understand what I mean. We all know that VYBZ KARTEL is a man where him a go fight until the end, you see me. So you don't know, big up to all like Gaza fans them where I support the artist same where everybody were showing them support. Now the artists want to support even more people. You understand what I mean? You see me? So what I want you all to do, viewers and subscribers, is just to let me know what you think down into the comment section. Also give this video a like, yes, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell. Tell me what you think about all of this situation. You understand? If you don't really feel say at the end of the day say I really get them a try to get out the entertainer, you see me? And that me think in myself, you see me? I say, you understand what I mean? Because basically, you know, them things I can't just go on, so you see me? Be things that happen to the entertainer from him in the 23 hours. What a lockdown the man under every single day, 1 hour him get for himself. Imagine that, viewers and subscribers. And enough people even say at the end of the day say at the lock where him locked down for 23 hours, I suffocate him and them thing there, and at the end of the day them don't want to get a phone call one day and hear say, yeah, just because the artist locked down for 23 hours a day, him dead because of that. You understand what I mean? And you don't know, we don't want to lose the artist. You see me I say? But I guess enough people want that, you see me I say? You see it, and I just hope the artist the best. You see me? Remember God in everything, because he never left you out once you call upon him, adidja. Yes. You see me I say? So you don't know, viewers and subscribers. As what I said before, just drop your thoughts down into the comment section. Give this video a like and subscribe. So peace, I'm out.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.